All right, everyone. Good Friday morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing well. It's a weather alert day across the southern plains right now here in the Panhandles region. We're beginning with our radar. You can see just how many areas shaded in blue there, stretching from Union County into Cimarron County, Boise City, Guyman, all the way down through Dumas, seeing some wintry precip right now this morning. Taking a look at our radar and satellite, this is also helping us to get a sense of what the rates might be in terms of that snowfall. You can see the darker blues indicative of maybe a bit of a steadier snowfall there just around Dumas, just northwest of Dumas right now, and for areas north and west as well. We've also seen images of snow beginning to stick in areas like Texline, our northwestern communities there in portions of both Hartley as well as Dallam County. It looks like Pantex is playing around with the camera right now, but we can see that they're helping us get a really good view of road conditions right now. We have had reports of snow accumulating on roadways, especially in this northwestern area, as well as seeing those accumulations on colder and grassy surfaces. Taking a look at our Skycam in Dumas, on the other hand, before on the radar I had shown you they were seeing some wintry mix. Right now they have a temperature of 32, so whatever is falling may stick to area roadways. However, because we've had so many days of temperatures above average, and our soil temperatures being so warm, it's going to take a little bit of a high precipitation event for that to eventually stick, but no doubt they are experiencing some damp roadways this morning. In conjunction with that, we are seeing lowered visibilities down to a mile in Dalhart, 2 miles in Dumas, and 4 in Clayton. Taking a look at this product we have, which allows us to see road conditions. It isn't a perfect science, but it is capturing what we're seeing on the ground. Snow in places like Union County, northwestern portions of Dallam County, as well as possibly some wetter surfaces over portions of, let's just say, Dumas right now. We do have winter storm warnings in effect, as well as winter weather advisories today. Those will last throughout much of the day today, expiring later this evening. As we run through our model, what we can see is the storm will continue to shift south and east. Along with it, that precipitation is inclined to stay in that northern area, but eventually, as we head into around noon, we could see that beginning to move further south and east. And along with it, we could see gusty conditions as well. So that can bring out whiteout conditions, giving difficult travel across the area. Heading into the overnight hours, the snow tapers off, and right behind it, frigid conditions. That's going to be our next story. It's not just the snow, it's the winds, and then also what comes after it. This is our snowfall forecast, probably our final one right now, really indicative. I think this is very high confidence of seeing some 6 to 10 inch amounts, especially for areas far north and west in Cimarron County, Union County, as well as portions of Texas County. Can't be ruled out in that. Then you can see how tight those gradients are. Dumas, Dalhart separated barely by a couple inches there, and then Amarillo likely going to be spared from some of the worst of those conditions. A look at those wind gusts. Later this morning, we could see winds picking up for areas north and west as high as 30, 35 miles an hour, and then all those gusty conditions are continuing to move to the south and east as that system continues to progress, and along with it, those gusty conditions. Travel impacts are going to be higher for areas north and west, not just for the snow, but also those winds earlier on today. That'll create an environment for difficult travel conditions. So if you don't have to be on the roads, stay off the roads if you can. Let the plows do their job. Let them treat. Make this as easy as possible if you can. But then the story then pivots once again after this to the frigid air. You can see around 5 o'clock tonight, it's going to feel like 21 here in Amarillo, 19 in Clayton, as well as Vega. But that's just the teaser of what's yet to come. As we progress into the overnight hours, we could have temperatures dipping into sub-zero territory in terms of our wind chills. When you factor in the winds and the frigid temperatures, tomorrow morning feeling more like 9 in Amarillo. Drought monitor could see we're in desperate need of precipitation. Unfortunately, the southeastern panhandle won't really be able to cash in on this moisture. It's a weather alert day with temperatures cooling down throughout the day. The good news is the weekend looks dry, cold to begin on Saturday, but moderating as we head into next week, where we could have highs back above average in the middle 60s. You all stay safe, stay up to date. Please send us some of your photos online. Tag us. I have my information down below on Facebook, Twitter. I'm also on Instagram. Just search up my name, Josiah, and I will likely pop up. But Josiah _WXTV is where you can find me and send me information so that we can better forecast for you. I hope you all stay safe, stay dry.